and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The US-listed exchange-traded funds that closely track Bitcoin's spot price are back in demand, and how? On Tuesday, the 11 funds recorded a cumulative net inflow of $422.5 million, the highest single-day tally since June 5, extending the 7-day winning run, according to data tracked by Farsight Investors and CoinClass. BlackRock's IBIT amassed over $260 million on Tuesday, accounting for a giant share of the cumulative inflows. FBTC drew $61.1 million, while others except GBTC, DeFi and BTCW pulled in less than $30 million each. Now, these funds have collectively drawn in over $1 billion in just the last 3 days, underscoring investors' confidence in Bitcoin's price prospects. BTC has surged 23% to $65,800 since hitting a low near $53,500 on July 5. Google is working with the Ministry of Electronics and IT Startup Hub to train and support 10,000 Indian startups in AI, the American tech giant said on July 17. The move is part of the company's strategy to tap into the rapidly growing AI developer ecosystem in India, a crucial market for its global AI efforts. The announcement was made at the company's developer event, Google I/O Connect Bengaluru. As part of the initiative, Google is providing startups with AI-first programming and curriculum through its programs such as AppScale Academy and Startup School, helping them with skills, knowledge, and mentorship. While the company will also provide up to $350,000 in Google Cloud credits for eligible startups to invest in the cloud infra and computational power required for AI development and deployment. Donald Trump plans to release a fourth NFT collection, according to a wide-ranging interview with the former president published in Bloomberg Businessweek on Tuesday. Trump previously teased the idea of releasing a fourth NFT collection at a gala for his mugshot NFT holders at Mar-a-Lago in May, but was non-committal at the time. But as the crypto industry continues to rally behind Trump's re-election campaign, the former president seems to be growing more comfortable embracing NFTs and crypto. A Tuesday report from the Wall Street Journal citing new data from the Federal Election Commission found that of the roughly $331 million raised by Trump's election campaign last quarter, about $3 million was in crypto. Yesterday, Trump announced pro-Bitcoin Senator J.D. Vance as his choice for running mate. WorldCoin has updated its token unlock schedule, causing the WLD price to rise 30% in just 24 hours. The project, led by Sam Altman of OpenAI, will unlock tokens for early contributors on July 24. Now, additionally, the unlock period for 80% of the tokens held by the team has been extended from 3 years to 5 years. WorldCoin says this extended schedule will slow down the increase in the amount of tokens available in circulation. Now, this change is intended to promote long-term project stability and commitment and has been positively received by the market. As a result, the WorldCoin token surged over 30% in just 24 hours, trading at $2.67. This increase marks a significant recovery from a recent drop where the token price fell below $2. The launch of spot Ether exchange-traded funds in the US, expected to occur next week, will push the price of second-largest cryptocurrency to all-time highs above $5,000 Bitcoin set. It may not happen immediately, and price action may be choppy to start due to money flowing out of $11 billion Grayscale Ethereum Trust after it converts to an ETF, Bitcoin's chief investment officer, Matt Hugin, wrote in a report on Tuesday. Well, Bitwise notes that Bitcoin has risen about 25% since the launch of spot ETFs in the US in Jan, and more than 110% since the market began pricing and a potential launch in October last year. Well, Ether spot ETFs are expected to be a success and garner $15 billion of net inflows in their first 18 months of trading, the report added. Bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX and the United States commodities regulator have agreed to a $12.7 billion settlement, resolving a 19-month-long lawsuit The agreement comes after months of back and forth negotiations and is now only subject to court approval. A recently released July 12 filing shows the CFTC sued FTX. Its former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX's sister trading firm Alameda Research in December 2022, claiming the firm committed fraud and made misrepresentations by marketing FTX.com as a digital commodity asset platform. Well, the settlement agreement comprises $8.7 billion in restitution and $4 billion in disgorgement. Creditors are currently voting on how they would prefer to be paid out. They have until August 16 before U.S. Bankruptcy Court Judge John Dorsey will make a final decision on October 7. The face of the popular NFT collection Pudgy Penguins will be integrated as a character on Pixelverse's mini-game on Telegram. On July 16, Pixelverse announced that it would introduce the Pudgy Penguin character Pudgy into the game, joining other crypto favorites such as Doge from the DogeCoin meme coin and NEW, a character that represents a Solana meme coin. The integration allows players to play the character in the Pixelverse game, followed by the official release of the Pudgy Penguins game in 2025. Despite the lower sales volume for NFTs, Pixelverse and Pudgy Penguins remain some of the biggest names in Web3 gaming and NFTs. The Telegram minigame Pixel Tap reportedly reached over 15 million users in the first month since its launch. Bitfinex Derivatives has announced a collaboration with crypto derivative exchange Telex to expand its portfolio of services, including options on dated and perpetual futures trading. The open beta integration between the Seychelles-based duo aims to reduce friction related to user onboarding, fund deposits, and trading on TLACs. Where the integration represents an innovative distribution model where exchanges work together to facilitate adoption of specialized products on new platforms such as Telex. Bitfinex Derivatives and Telex expect significant growth in crypto options and dated futures trading, as options and dated futures currently account for just 3% and 2% of daily crypto derivatives volume of $100 billion. Hong Kong intends to implement a licensing regime for stablecoin issuers whose tokens reference the price of fiat currencies, the city's de facto central bank announced on Wednesday. Under the proposed regime, issuers of stablecoins that track fiat currencies in the city will be required to obtain a license from the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, according to a joint statement with the Financial Services and Treasury Bureau outlining the results of the consultation. To ensure that stablecoins are fully backed, issuers will be required to publish monthly attestations on reserve assets conducted by a third-party auditor. Bitcoin ETFs have become a significant success story in the crypto market, generating $16 billion in net flows in just 6 months, exceeding Bloomberg analyst forecast of $12 to $15 billion. So BlackRock has established itself as the frontrunner in the US spot Bitcoin ETF market, managing the iShares Bitcoin Trust with $260 million in net flows and $1 billion in daily trading volume in a single day. Soso Values data indicates that BlackRock's BTC ETF boasts $20.9 billion in assets, making it the best performing Bitcoin ETF to date. So market experts like Nate Geraci highlight the significant participation of advisors and institutional investors in BlackRock's ETF, pointing to a robust future for these financial products. The recent upswing in Bitcoin's price, which surpassed $60,000, has further fueled inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, with net additions of $300 million on July 15 and approximately $1 billion on a weekly adjusted basis. So that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website. So that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.